Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Ford 6.2-liter Boss V8 engine is a gasoline-powered engine designed primarily for heavy-duty truck applications. Introduced in 2010, it has gained a reputation for its robust construction and reliability. History and versions. The 6.2-liter engine was initially developed under the Hurricane name in 2005, but was renamed Boss in 2006. It took several years to perfect, finally debuting in the 2010 Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. In 2011, it became a primary engine option for the F-250 and F-350 Super Duty lineups, replacing the older 5.4 L-Triton V8 and 6.8 L-Triton V10 in some models. Over its production run, 2010 to 2022, the 6.2-liter Boss engine saw some minor tweaks, particularly in 2017 for the Super Duty lineup, where fine-tuning and modified crankshafts led to higher torque output to meet increased working needs. Key applications: 2010 to 2014 Ford F-150 Raptor, 2011 to 2014 Ford F-150, 2011 to 2022 Ford F-250 Super Duty, 2011 to 2022 Ford F-350 Super Duty, 2017 to 2019 Ford E-Series, E-350 and E-450. Design and specifications. The 6.2-liter Boss is a naturally aspirated 90 degrees V8 engine with a single overhead camshaft, SOHC, and 2 valves per cylinder. It features a cast-iron block for durability and aluminum cylinder heads and pistons for weight reduction. A notable design element is the use of dual spark plugs per cylinder, aiming for more efficient combustion. General specifications. Displacement: 6.2 liters, 379 cubic inches. Bore: 102 millimeters, 4.02 inches. Stroke: 95 millimeters, 3.74 inches. Compression ratio: approximately 9.8 to 1. Max power varies by application, typically 385 horsepower to 411 horsepower. Max torque varies by application, typically 405 lb-ft to 434 lb-ft. Fuel requirement: designed to run on 87-octane regular unleaded or E85. Oil capacity: 7.0 quarts, 6.6 liters, with oil filter. Camshaft drive, chain. Cylinder block material, cast iron. Cylinder head material, aluminum. Review and opinions. The Ford 6.2-liter Boss engine is widely regarded as a reliable and durable workhorse, particularly in Super Duty trucks. Owners often praise its ability to handle rigorous towing and hauling tasks without significant issues. It's known for providing strong mid-range torque, which is beneficial for heavy loads and off-road applications. Many users report minimal problems even past 150,000 miles, with some reaching well over 200,000 miles. Drivers find it offers surprisingly brisk acceleration for a heavy truck, with accessible torque down low, making highway merging less stressful. It's often seen as a good compromise between raw power and daily comfort, especially for those who don't require the extreme torque of a diesel, but need more than a smaller gasoline engine. Advantages: durability and reliability. Its cast-iron block and relatively simple 2-valve SOHC design contribute to its long-term reliability. Many examples exceed 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. Strong mid-range torque, excellent for towing, hauling, and off-road driving. Tuning potential. The design with good port flow properties allows for significant tuning capabilities, as demonstrated in racing applications. Lower maintenance costs. Compared to diesel, generally less expensive to maintain and repair than its diesel counterparts, lacking complex emission systems. Fuel versatility. Can run on 87-octane regular unleaded or E85. Proven track record. Has a solid reputation from years of use in demanding applications like the F-150 Raptor and Super Duty trucks. Disadvantages. Fuel consumption. As a large gasoline V8, fuel economy is not its strong suit. Owners typically report figures ranging from 10 to 15 miles per gallon combined, with significantly lower mileage when towing heavy loads, 6 to 9 miles per gallon. Power output, compared to modern diesels or larger gas engines while strong, it doesn't match the immense torque and towing capacity of modern diesel engines, like the 6.7L Power Stroke, or Ford's newer 7.3L Godzilla V8. Weight, being a robust cast-iron block engine, it contributes to the overall weight of the vehicle. Faults and breakdowns. While generally reliable, the 6.2-liter Boss engine does have a few commonly reported issues. Broken valve springs. This is one of the more common and serious issues, potentially leading to valve-to-piston contact if not addressed. Symptoms include hesitation, knocking and clattering noises, and loss of power. Oil leaks. Minor oil seepage from valve cover gaskets and the rear main seal can occur, especially at higher mileages. Rough idling and misfires, often attributed to faulty spark plugs, which is more common with 16 spark plugs, 2 per cylinder. Regular replacement is crucial. Exhaust manifold cracks. Some owners report cracked exhaust manifolds, leading to ticking noises. Replacements can sometimes be backordered from Ford. Timing chain guide issues. Though less common, there are reports of timing chain guide failure, particularly at higher mileage, which can lead to significant engine damage. Fuel consumption. As mentioned, fuel consumption is a primary disadvantage. Unloaded. Owners typically report 10 to 15 miles per gallon, in mixed driving, with highway figures potentially reaching 16 to 18 miles per gallon at steady speeds. Towing. When towing heavy loads, e.g. 10,000 pounds, fuel economy can drop significantly to 6 to 9 miles per gallon. Timing. The 6.2-liter Boss engine uses a timing chain rather than a timing belt. Timing chains are designed to last the life of the engine under normal circumstances and typically do not have a specified replacement interval like timing belts. However, issues with timing chain guides, as mentioned in faults and breakdowns, can occur, especially at high mileage. Oil type and change interval. Oil type. Ford recommends Motorcraft SAE 5W, 30 Premium Synthetic Blend Motor Oil, Spec WSS, M2C946B1. Some aftermarket full synthetic 5W, 30 oils meeting this specification are also suitable. For earlier models, 2011 to 2015, some sources indicate 5W, 20 was specified, so it's always best to check your owner's manual for the exact recommended viscosity based on your vehicle's year. Oil capacity, 7.0 quarts, 6.6 liters, with an oil filter change. Change interval. Ford typically recommends oil changes every 5,000 to 10,000 miles or 6 to 12 months, whichever comes first, depending on driving conditions, e.g., heavy towing, off-road use, or extreme temperatures may warrant more frequent changes. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and up-to-date maintenance schedule. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.